So today I will teach you a easy, fun, simple craft. So it's a waterfall card. I will show you how it looks from inside. So for making this card, we need a glue stick, scissors, a pencil and ruler. We need one hard sheet in a dark color and one light sheet in a light color. So for the dark sheet, we have to cut 2 strips and the breadth should be 3 inches and one light strip 2 inches wide. So now I will cut 5 inches squares like these where the arrow is given. So let me show you. Now I will cut 5 inches boxes from the white sheet. Now for the next step, I will take this box what is made. I will place it over here. And then draw the line here. Then I'll take this and mark the lines in 1 inch. We only have to make 5 lines here. Now we will make the lines at the point we made. Now for the next step, we will take this and fold it like this. Now, when you have folded the 5 lines, it will look like this. So I'm getting very excited now. So now we'll paste this over here, then the second one here. Now we have to fold this like this and now we have to cut from here. Now this is complete like this one. So now we need a small strip. Now we have to place it under this. Now we have to open this. Now we have to put this here. Now for this we have to put glue here and then stick it. Now we have sticked it. Now we have to put glue on this and then put the last part on this. Now our waterfall card is complete. See? If you like this craft, please subscribe on the YouTube channel Ketchup Moms.